Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on October the 14th, 2020. Asian stocks plunge on vaccine and stimulus halts. Asian stocks tumbled Wednesday at the termination of COVID-19 vaccine trials, and a stalemate in the U.S. bailout package suggested deteriorating risk appetite, while the dollar continued to rally as demand for safe assets strengthened. Johnson & Johnson shares lost 2.3% and Eli Lilly shares lost almost 3%. MSCI, the broadest Asia-Pacific stock index outside of Japan, fell 0.2%. Japan's Nikkei declined 0.2%, while Australia's benchmark index was weak and South Korea's index lost 0.7%. Chinese stocks also opened in red, with the CSI 300 blue chips down 0.3%. In addition, sentiment dimmed hopes for a new coronavirus relief package as House Speaker Nancy Pelosi rejected a $1.8 trillion offer from the White House. Overnight on Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.5%, the S&P 500 fell 0.63%, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.1%. E-mini S&P 500 futures were up slightly in early Asian trading. Apple introduces iPhone 12, shares drop. Apple Inc. on Tuesday released the next-generation iPhone 12 with faster 5G connectivity, which the company hopes will spark a wave of updates and keep sales booming for the rest of the year. Apple shares lost more than 3% during the presentation of the new iPhone 12 line, erasing $77 billion in market value. After reaching $120 per share, the price turned around and went up. Compared to the close on Monday, the drop is about 2.3%. The core of the lineup, the iPhone 12, will retail for $799, the mini version $699, the Pro version $999, and the largest Pro Max version $1,099 to $1,399. The new products will test whether Apple can catch up on consumer enthusiasm for 5G wireless networks. The fastest variants that are many times faster than their predecessors. The devices will arrive about a month later than usual for Apple's annual launches. Pre-orders begin on October the 16th and shipments on October the 23rd. Walmart and others reschedule Black Friday sales. The world's largest retailer said Wednesday that Walmart Inc. will extend its Black Friday deals beyond its usual one-day period this year as the COVID-19 pandemic is forcing consumers to significantly change their spending habits. The updates promotion will offer discounted prices to Walmart shoppers during 3 separate savings events in November, the company said. Each savings event starts online at walmart.com and continues at Walmart stores. In recent months, a host of retailers, including Walmart, Target, Best Buy, and Kohl's, have announced plans to kick off their earliest shopping season, pushing winter holiday promotions to October. Several major U.S. retailers have also announced store closings on Thanksgiving and are planning to bypass the Black Friday midnight door-breaking sales, which traditionally mark the start of the holiday season due to social distancing demands. EU wins a dispute with U.S. over commodity dues. The European Union has the right to impose duties on American goods in the amount of about $4 billion a year in response to subsidies from the U.S. government to Boeing, the WTO decided. The decision came exactly 1 year after the WTO sided with the U.S. in a dispute with the EU over subsidies to Airbus from France, Germany, Spain, and the UK, as well as the EU itself. Then the WTO allowed America to impose duties on European goods for $7.5 billion. The U.S.-EU litigation over EU subsidies to Airbus has been dragging on since 2004. Moreover, in 2006, a counter-complaint came from Brussels in connection with Boeing's Washington subsidies. It is logical to assume that today's WTO decision is not the last, since the United States is unlikely to leave it unanswered and prolong the 16-year trade war.